in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if the Opera mobile app is not working or opening properly on your Android smartphone and it's crashing frequently. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button and then select the apps tile. Select where it says see all apps and then scroll down and locate the Opera app on this list. Go ahead and select that and then select storage and cache. Select the clear cache button. If you're still having a problem when you relaunch Opera at this point, you may have to come back in here and actually clear the storage. But you can click the back arrow, and I would suggest selecting force stop, select OK, and then relaunch Opera at this point, and then hopefully your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.